Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we built a simple lead generation tool using Rapid API. Today, we're going one level up building a LinkedIn job scraper using the Apify platform and connecting it all inside N8N. So first, in this workflow, we'll take a quick overview and then dive into the detailed workflow. Here's what we'll do in this project step by step. Search jobs according to job title and location using a form element trigger node. Then we'll format and create our JSON as needed using a code node. After that, we'll use the LinkedIn Job Scraper API via Apify inside an HTTP node. Then we'll format and clean the data again using a code node to prepare it properly. And finally, we'll update everything into our Excel sheet using Google Sheets integration. Alright, let's dive into our workflow. Go to your N8N dashboard, create a new workflow and name it LinkedIn Apify Job Scraper. Now first, we'll take a form trigger node because we don't want to manually enter inputs every time. Before that, let's check what fields we'll need. So go to apify.com, sign up for a new account, and once you're in the dashboard, click the console button on the top right. You'll see the console panel. On the left side, you'll find all the menus, and on the right side, you'll see your active scrapers or actors and suggested actors. Next, go to the Apify store. Here you can search actors according to your needs. You'll find scrapers for Google Maps, Instagram posts, news sites, and more. You can search anything like news, see all ready-to-use scrapers. Each actor shows stars, downloads, and pricing, so you can choose the one that fits your needs best. Now, since our goal is to scrape LinkedIn jobs, search for LinkedIn Job Scraper in the Apify store. You'll see a list of results related to your search. We check it and see these two scraper because I really tried these two actor. For example, you'll find these two LinkedIn job scrapers. One priced at $10 per month and another at $29.99. The second one offers a longer trial, so we'll use that. You can always pick based on your needs and usage. Also, check ratings and active users to pick a reliable one. Let's use this scraper API. Now we'll need all the form fields that the scraper expects. So let's add them step by step inside our form submission trigger node in N8N. Here's what we'll add in our form submission trigger node. First, job title will keep this as required because we always need a job name to search. Then job location also required, since we want to search based on a city or region. Company name optional, in case you want to target one specific company. Published at this is used to filter by posting date, so you can get only fresh jobs. On-site or remote, this one will take as a drop-down and keep it required. You can select from options like on-site, remote, or hybrid. Job type again, a drop-down with options like full-time, part-time, internship, or contract, and this one is required too. And finally, experience level, also a drop-down with options like entry-level, mid-level, senior, or director. We've marked key fields like job title, job location, on-site/remote, job type, and experience level as required so users can't leave them empty. Once your form is ready, click Execute step, and you'll see a new form window pop up. Now for testing, enter location Bangalore, job title front-end developer, then hit submit. If everything's set correctly, this node will run successfully and send your form data to the next node. Now we'll take a code node to prepare our JSON data according to the scraper's API format. This code can be easily generated using ChatGPT. Just tell it, create an N8N JSON structure for the LinkedIn Appified Job Scraper, and it'll give you ready-to-paste code. And click Execute step and check it format of JSON according to our need. Next, we'll add an HTTP request node. This is where the actual scraping happens. Go to your selected scraper page on Appify, click API Endpoints, and scroll down to the Run Actor section. Here, copy the post URL and paste it inside the HTTP node in N8N. Then in the body parameters, switch to JSON mode and paste the JSON data you formatted in the previous code node. Click Execute step. Wait a few seconds, and boom, you'll see your LinkedIn job data appear in the output. Now we'll take another code node to clean and filter the results. This script will remove duplicates and only keep the most useful fields, like job title, company name, location, job type, and experience level. It'll also ensure each job is unique based on job title and company name. Again, this script is generated with the help of ChatGPT. Finally, we'll add a Google Sheets node and select append row as the operation. Choose your Save Google credentials. We've already shown how to set that up in a previous video, so if you haven't, go check that tutorial. Now select your Google Sheet. For me, it's called LinkedIn Job Leads. Pick your Sheet tab, keep mapping mode on, and map each field, like name, company, location, job type, and experience level. Click Execute step. And done, your node runs successfully. All job data from LinkedIn is now automatically appended to your Google Sheet. Open your sheet, and boom, all your leads are right there, clean and organized. And that's it. This workflow collects jobs, filters them, removes duplicates, and stores them directly in Google Sheets all automatically. See you in the next video.